Yo, what it do, It's your boy R Stacking, and I'm back with another video. Hey, listen, y'all know I love animals and stuff like that, that's right. But even though I still, love to do what I love to do, but I just in the making a little run, pet shop run. Anyway, go ahead, y'all. Anyway, buying this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Please, tell me, fuck me. You feel me? Cause that's what we do. So we about to go ahead and get on here.
I started. Guess what I'm getting today?
What?
A bunny rabbit.
You real?
Yeah.
You gotta get a bunny rabbit for real? Oh, come on.
Daddy lets me get a bunny
She got the baby? Oh. Alright, so y'all eat while we. Woo. You think what? Oh, y'all, I'm gonna hit this stuff. Oh, that's up right there hard. See, y'all ain't never see a player like this right here before. You did. Little birds and stuff. I don't even know why I'm in this pet store. No, I don't like no little. I like birds though, but I don't like them that much. But check it. Dang. I like these right here though. These are nice. Hey, bluebirds. Oh, that's not right there. White. That's not white. Hey, look. So check it out. These birds right here, gangster, yo. Look at this. Look at this, little birds. Yeah. Y'all ain't never seen no birds like this right here around here. And look at this, check him out. What's his name? I wonder do he bite. He bite? Get it? He don't bite? Huh? He don't bite? He running from me. Y'all, I'm so scared to touch the guinea pig, cause Lord, if it bite me, damn. You gotta look. Hold on, I'm scared to touch him. Should I touch him? Y'all drop them comments down below if y'all think I should touch the guinea pig. Alright, so I'm gonna touch him anyway. Hey, listen, bro. I ain't a wild nigga like this. So hold on. Y'all check it. Look at ferrets. What y'all know about that ferret world? You feel me? You do? Yeah. Oh, you stink too. Golly. Look at these ferrets. Hey, yo. I seen the ferret before, but it been so long since I seen one.
Huh? You doing a sucker?
No. You said what?
You doing a sucker?
I want to buy me a ferret, but like, I ain't no shit.
I buy you a bunny rabbit.
This is stink too. What is this? What is it? Let's check it. Y'all, y'all can't tell me this right here, no gangsta ass bird. You see? Tell them, yeah. Tell them what your name is. Tell them. Look at it. Look at it. Y'all, I ain't gonna count. This is one of the most dopest birds I've seen down here yet. I ain't gonna lie to you. I see these right here before. A little bit of these. Ain't too much. Y'all some chicken. What y'all think about these right here? These right here gonna bite? They ain't like the black bunny rabbit. Y'all, drop them comments if y'all think I should do it. They so scary, I didn't want to touch them. Huh? Yeah.
The birds are loud.
I have a couple of Amazon there.
Yeah.
Ooh.
How much are the
Hey y'all, look. If y'all like rabbits, right? Y'all like rabbits. I think I'll give y'all that. Bird.
We had
If anybody like this rabbit, I'll have to drop it down for them.
a plan in place.
That's just me. That's just how I feel. You dig?
And the wholesaler has not been able to arrange transportation.
Anyway, y'all, listen.
And so
These rabbits right here dope though. These rabbits right here dope as hell.
and right now, I'm not sure what the prices are.
Let me go over here
Our
and take
manager
y'all.
is in the process.
Oh, shoot. They got different colors.
Well,
Look at it. Check him out. What y'all think about him?
and
It's either you in or you out. You feel me? It ain't no one way.
yeah, but
So I might get him though. Like, huh? Can you that one? I like him though, for real.
fine, yeah.
Look at him.
I know that the birds in this white cage
But,
are not genetically connected to the rest of them.
Oh,
Okay? But the birds
so y'all, what y'all think about these?
we got them with
Oh man, this is cute. Look at them.
we got them from the same breed. These birds
Oh yeah, they just having a good old time in there. Look at them.
want some genetic diversity.
Fighting each other? What y'all doing?
Here and one from there.
Look at them.
And that way you're not having siblings or cousins. Okay?
Yeah. Look at that. Rough housing each other. Look at them. Look at them. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Let them know what you got. Let them know what you about. Let them know what you about. Get up. Get her. Ain't no lot second ball. Oh, but it's ink, dog. Look at these right here. Rats. Y'all don't like rats. I ain't gonna cat. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I don't even like rats. These are real small though. Teeny tiny.
$39.99.
Teeny tiny. They alright
Not
though.
at this point. I don't have that authority.
But look. Oh, this right here sleeping.
And if you bought some equipment and stuff
That right
like
there
that,
sleeping,
probably
y'all.
you might can work with you. But again, I don't have that authority.
Y'all, it's two of them in there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Four. You got four little mice in there.
Yeah.
But they ain't one the same.
I see one in there.
Huh?
See one in there. And this is
Yeah.
here. These look like this.
Look, these right here, these little right here fighting stuff, man.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Who's gonna win?
I don't know. Who you think gonna win?
I think it's gonna be the other one.
Yes, sir.
The all white one.
Fighting. Ah, they fighting. They having a good old time.
Is Buzz around here?
Huh?
Is Buzz around there over there?
Where is he?
It's kind of flying.
Yeah. Oh, look at him. He's trying to get out. He's trying to get out, cause look at him. Y'all can't get out. Ain't no need to fight. Chill.
You take it out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stick it over.
Put him. Oh, there go the brown. Yeah, I know how to tell our second.
Thank you.
He under there.
I see you.
Yeah, y'all, look at that. Here you go. He ain't want to come out right now, but he'll be out.
Turn on high.
Hey, check it. But see, I like him though, cause he's clear. Like you can get you see what I'm saying? Yeah. I don't even know. Yeah. Like, for real.
His birds are loud.
Yo, I'm just in this pet store, but I got to get you another animal, cause you know this is what I like.
If we put a fox in here,
Huh?
if we put a fox in here, then put
But you can put a fossil like that. Yeah.
Them will jump straight out.
Yeah. Check them out.
That's a wide one.
Come on, we got to go back here. Go back here with the fish. What they got by the fishes? He's talking loud, dude. He's like, y'all, I'm gonna take y'all show y'all where the fish is at. Probably got a lot of little fishes in here. Any kind of fish y'all want, they got them. I'm telling you. Y'all like fishes? I don't really like. I like fishes a little bit, but if y'all like another door, there she go, right there. You see, it is it. It is what it is. You don't like it or what? They got any kind of fish you want. And half of these fish right here, like, I like these. Look at this. Y'all, these fish right here so dope. It ain't gonna make no sense. Look at those. Any color, I mean, I'm talking about y'all. Any color they want, they got. Hold on, what do you say here? Look at that right there. Y'all, I bet y'all ain't never seen no fish like that right there. Dopest fish down here. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Ain't nothing in those. Yeah. I ain't never. Hold up. This fish right here, I ain't never see this fish down here in my life before. You got so many of them you can choose from. These right here ain't even for sale though. I don't know why they got them out there ain't for sale. So look, it's a difference when you buying. It's different when you buy these fish, and sometimes these fish be dying. Like they always be dying, but you know. If you take good care of them, they'll last a long time. You just gotta know what to do, that's all. Feel me? So what I do. Say, dog, what's up, dog? I don't even know what kind of fish that is right now. See? Hey, y'all, spam in the comments, y'all know what kind of fish that is, because I do not know. I don't know everything now. I am a genius. That's the fish right there, too. But y'all, they got so many different kind of stuff, animals in here. Y'all want one. Look, they got one right there. A green, what is it called? Pink missile. Corals and all, snails and all, turtles and all. If you want one, all you gotta do is just see. You can get one right away. I love him, Dora though. Dora's great. Fuck with her. Half of them crazy mess with you. But like you got so many. I don't even think nothing in here. No, ain't nothing in here, y'all. You got a lot of them though. You got different kinds you can get or whatever. Is that? Yeah, I swear to God, bro, I ain't seen no fish like this right here before. That's a little nasty. I wonder if it'll bite you. Like, look, it blending with the background. Like, oh my goodness. Dang. Thing I ain't know about that one, bro. I thought about that right there, but at the same time, you might mess around and eat door for real. You feel me? Hey, listen though. And let me go ahead and get up out you this pet stuff. But if you think I feel, I ain't not about to do that, let that happen. Sure. These are heck good too. Like clownfish. If y'all like clownfish, y'all welcome. But listen, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out here. Stack up the back. Stack up the back. For another video.